Okay guys, so we've had an up and down season. On the plus side with that, the downside is we haven't made it to the World Championship and the car is not looking great either. So we've had the engine out, had a bent crank, but didn't blow up, so I think that's lucky, isn't it? I'm not sure. So that's all nice and fresh and ready to go, and I'm excited about putting that back in because we've made a few changes. The car's not looking great, I'll be honest. This is the other day you saw Dean Cox going around Cardboardly Motorsport. So this is the other side. So that's a nice brand new clean car. This one's done only 5 rounds since it was rebuilt. So you just see a little bit closer. It's a mess. Everything's bent. All the brackets are bent. It's dirty. There's oil leaking everywhere. So, and it looks really sorry for itself. So I just thought I'd give you the insight to how the other half live, if you like. So we're not out at Thunder 500, unfortunately, because we're not going to get all this done for then. So my next round will be round 1 of the next season, and really my efforts now are focused on the National Championship. We'll try and win that, and then we've also booked for the British Championship, booked the ferries, booked the hotels. So I'm going to go back to Northern Ireland and have another shot at that. They're always very welcoming and it's a great atmosphere. So I've missed it for a few years now, so I'm really looking forward to that. Just thought I'd update you.